hi Scrappy, is to actually buy get out the mic. Is to actually
That's me!
come over here to the light. So hello everyone, welcome to this week's video. This week I'm going to be taking you all through what I basically eat, and it's most likely going to be dinner. I don't really cook a lot for breakfast or even for lunch. And happy new year once again. If you haven't seen my previous video, please make sure and go and watch that video and like it. You know, we're starting on a new journey with this YouTube channel, and I'm still working out the kinks of it. But one of the things that I enjoy and have grown to honestly love has been cooking for myself and cooking for my partner as well, and just trying new things and just getting better at cooking healthily. So, is that a word? I think it's a word. So, please do not mind how I look. Today is like the 5th or 6th day of my cycle, and it's honestly been very trash. My boyfriend and I got the stomach flu last week, and so if you look here at my weekly meal calendar, there's like 2 days where it says sick. We were sick.
Whoa, back it up, beep, beep, beep.
Like, well, at least I was sick for maybe like 3 days, and then it was like okay, and my appetite wasn't back, and then my period hit me. So we're just trying our best to stay alive, but my body is definitely like running on fumes. But it's new year. I am planning on keeping up with all the good habits that I learned last year, and that includes eating healthy and cooking at home for most of the time. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if you want something more extended and more detailed, definitely comment down below. But essentially this video is just going to be clips, most likely voiceovers of what I'm doing. So actually, for the first clip, I'll just show you what I'm doing right now. Okay, now I just wanted to show you all just basic things that I use for my green juice. I'm not a professional. I only started doing green juice probably like 2 weeks before the new year began, and that was just because I had gone through a phase just eating a lot of fast food, not feeling so good, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try to eat more greens. Another major thing that kind of sparked this is because I did buy like the powder greens, but for some reason that just tastes so nasty to me, and I just never have had an affinity for it. And it wasn't until I started making my own green juice that I actually kind of like it. I cleaned everything up. So this is the green juice, this is her, this is 64 ounces. So this honestly should probably last me a week. So I normally drink 10 ounces in the morning. That's the first thing I drink, and then of course water. But yeah, this will last me about a week. And so now we're on to the other part of my Mondays, and that is planning out what I'm going to be making for dinner for the rest of the week. I find that writing everything down like ahead of time, and like it just takes a lot of the brain work out of everything else. She's back. So I looked at everything, figured everything out. I try my best to give myself variety, so I'm not eating like the same protein every other day. That's why I can't do meal prep. People who do meal prep, amazing, good for you, but I can't eat the same thing every single day unless it's for lunch, if that makes sense. I also awkwardly enough struggle with like cold food, if that makes sense. Like I have these, well, y'all see it later. I'm getting ahead of myself. So the meal plan, I forgot to put the date. And I don't know if I said this already, but I'll say it again. Weekly meal planning and just cooking at home in general saves a lot of money. It's a new year. There's a lot of things that I want to do myself and my partner, and so not having to eat out every single night or even on the weekend is a great way for us to budget and not spend money. So you probably won't be able to see this very well, but I wrote everything out. And then on the weekend, usually one day, I usually have 1 or 2 leftover days because sometimes I cook too much food and I'm not a big fan of food waste. So we eat leftovers over here. And then on Sunday, I plan on doing some type of baked chicken. Probably like baked mushroom chicken or something, cream of mushroom. But yeah. Now I'm going to show you what I eat for lunch, and you'll probably just end up seeing clips after this. I hope you enjoyed the video so far, and yeah, let's get this lunch because I'm starving. All right, it is now dinner time, but before I do dinner, I do want to show you all this. I had this probably like 40 minutes ago. I started getting hungry and I was like, okay, it's almost time for me to cook dinner. So like I said, we're having chicken, veggies, and potatoes tonight. And so I'm just gonna show you what we're working with and then the end result. I'm very tired today, just kind of, I think I'm mentally exhausted, to be honest, and a little physical, definitely physically exhausted just with everything going on. So I didn't put much creativity into dinner. It's just what we finna eat tonight. So let me show you that right now. Okay, good morning. It is Tuesday morning, about 9 o'clock. I'm actually at CSN right now, about to meet up with some people, get some work done, be some productive. I'm actually going to be going on a trip in a few weeks, so we're also going to be talking about that. So I'm super excited, but that's not what this video is about. So for breakfast, I'm having my green juice. Like I said, it's about 9 o'clock. So like I said yesterday, the first thing I usually will consume is this green juice and some water. Thought about trying this energy drink that my cousin gave me like a while back, because I think pre-workout serves as my like almost like my coffee, like my day starter. So just to try to avoid the crash, I'm going to be consuming this, and I hope it doesn't mess me up because caffeine will give me headaches sometimes. I stopped drinking coffee a while ago, or at least decreased my amount of caffeine that I take. So normally when I do try to get back on coffee, I have really bad headaches and it ruins my day. That's too damn bad! But yeah, let's hope not. I'll see you all in the rest of the clips today. Have a great day. All right, new clip. I don't know how reaction channels do this. Actually, it's kind of hard trying to like line up my camera with my laptop because I'm actually watching all the footage back right now and doing these voiceovers. So onto the footage. So right now you just see me doing the dishes. One of the things that I have like just put into daily practice that I didn't know is something that I do is that I do like to cook in a clean kitchen, and that's honestly one of the reasons why we use paper plates for dinner a lot of the times, because I don't feel like cleaning dishes after I just cleaned the dishes and I cooked. So we're a paper plate household over here. Saving some time and some headache. And so for dinner tonight, I'm going to be making some taco meat, and I think I don't know if I said this already, but I should actually know if I said this already, but I don't want to go grocery shopping because I do plan on going grocery shopping the following week. And so my goal is always to just make meals out of things we have in the house. And so luckily enough, we didn't have tortillas, but luckily enough we did have tortilla chips. And so the boys ended up just having nachos, and you'll see at the end I ended up making myself tacos on butter lettuce. Butter lettuce is just really easy to use, and I feel like it lasts longer than like iceberg lettuce or like the lettuce that you can buy in the wedges. And so that was dinner, and it was really good. I'm definitely going to be running that recipe back.
Nice.
Okay. Now, if I can remember, Wednesday was a pretty good day. At this point, I'm kind of just on my high. It's the new year. Everything's been working out well. I've been cooking my meals. Green juice has been hitting as it should. And I've just been like eating these snacks that my cousin had gave me. And again, just trying to get rid of some stuff. I need to get rid of some stuff. We don't like to waste food over here or waste snacks either. So right now I'm making a simple marinade, and I don't have exact measurements. If you want to see a video, very specific cooking videos on different easy meals that I make, comment down below. Definitely comment down below, because cooking is one of those things that have turned into a self-care move for myself. I love cooking for myself and my partner, and I would love to share that venture with you all. Now that was a loud smack. Apologies for those who are wearing headphones. So now it is dinner time. Right now I am cooking the veggies and rice on the side. I do not eat a lot of rice. I don't eat rice at night, so that rice is purely just for Gerald because he's the only one who eats rice in this house like that. And so sorry for all the camera movement. I think it fell a few times, but I think I was super tired this day. As you can see, I think I'm still wearing the clothes that I wore for the gym because I just wanted to cook, take a shower, eat, and go to bed. That was the mood for Wednesday night. And so to the side, I just chopped up all the steamed veggies to make them a lot more ingestible. I think that's a word. And then I cut the meat off camera, and then now you just see me kind of taking my kitchen scissors and cutting it. It is beef, and so I'm kind of just trying to let the residual heat from the pan like kind of get it to the point where it's not super tough. And it ended up really good. It was just it was supposed to be like beef and broccoli, but we only had mixed veggies, so it's just beef and mixed veggies.
I feel so healthy.
Now, Thursday was a rainy day. Honestly, my energy was decreased this day. I didn't really film all of what I was actually doing to make the chicken tortilla soup. But as you can see, what I used is on the screen, and it was a banger soup. I love soup on rainy days, so it ended up perfectly like scheduled. Everything was going as planned, and we're currently still eating that soup. It's only 2 of us in the house, and it just sometimes food just takes a while when it's only 2 people. So we're still enjoying that soup. I also ended up having me some snacks as well. I know I've said it before, I'm gonna say it again. I was on my period, so you don't eat all the way correctly all the time, and so that's also what I wanted to showcase during this video, is that there's different parts of my life, at least my eating life, that are great and that are not so great. But I think I finally feel like I found a balance between both, and it just makes me so happy to share this with you all and actually finally get to a point where I don't feel bad going to go get fast food, which is what I'm doing right now, or getting some food from 7-Eleven, because I've been on my grind and doing what I'm supposed to do, and it's not impeding on any of the other health benefits that And so now we are here. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. I had an amazing time filming it for you all. Definitely tell me what you liked, what you didn't like, what you wish you learned more about. I'm really trying my best to just stay creative and stay having fun, which is what this YouTube channel was always meant to be. And while I still have the energy for it, while I still have the passion for it, I'm gonna keep posting, and I hope you all are sticking to it. And again, like this video, subscribe for more videos, and while you're here, you might as well go ahead and look at some older videos, some things that you might want me to bring back and post. But that's all I have for you all this week. I hope you have a wonderfully amazing week, and let God be with you, and I will talk to you next week. Bye.